crickets. Many crickets. Frogs, crickets, they're all the same. Got that one on camera. Got that one. I drank so many Monsters, I'm surprised Monster Energy hasn't sponsored me yet. That's surprising. Try to maintain focus. Like daylight to you guys, but it's different on the phone. Different on the phone in real life than it is. Now that was a wild ride to be exact. These essential storm videos are just going to be temporarily until I get more storm counters. It's raining already? Gotta roll this up. It's not a bunch of rain, but rain it is. Should we chase the storm or no?
You're gonna switch north.
Yeah, fair enough. Oof.
You can go up the hill when you're done.
Alright.
You can see it from the ridge.
More question is, hey YouTube, you always have to say that just in general because, you know, YouTube has guidelines. Gotta follow those. Those are important. And essentially, for people that make it out in this world, for YouTubers, everybody's trying to pass T-Series. T-Series is literally the hardest one to beat. Because they have so many subscribers, it's literally impossible to out-sub the subs.
Woof.
Woof! Insert flashing lights. Or a flash warning. Yee-hoo.
That was pretty.
Very pretty. Speaking of, you might as well just say hi. Hello. Yep. It doesn't rain on me. Hashtag rain on the sunlight. Or storm or storm on the weather. Not rain on our parade. But putting down a hashtag is easier. And essentially if you're writing it down, put it down in the comments. Hashtag storm. Storm driver. Drives in storm. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out at some point. Yep. I caught that one. That was a long strike. And I am going to cut my recording here.